Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve another problem statement which I had come across. Now the problem statement or the problem is that these videos which I have here are WMV extension. So if I go to here, like I right click on them and I see the properties, the file is WMV.WMV extension. Now the problem occurred was that this file couldn't be read on a MacBook or a Mac OS machine using the iMovie. So if I want to edit this on a high-end machine or on a high-end Mac machine, then I need to convert that into an MP4 format. So I searched and I came across a very beautiful, a cool library in Python. So we'll be working something out of it. We'll be coding a small code and you will see that that Python is so extensive, and in Python we can do so much. So let's get started with the code. To begin with, we will just create a new file, that is, let's say convert, and we label it as convert.py. Convert.py. Now, first thing is that the library name is MoviePy. So we will import the library called as MoviePy. Import MoviePy dot editor as MP. Now, if you don't have this library installed on your machine, then you need to install this library. So for installing, just press on VS Code, just press Control and tilde. So you get the terminal. Here you just write pip install MoviePy and press enter. So this library will install all the dependencies required. So I already have that installed on my machine. So or else it will install all the dependencies for you, and then now after this, what we need to do is we need to provide the path for the file. So where the file is exactly located here. So to convert that file, where the file in your machine, where is the file exactly located in. So we create an object using the MoviePy library first, and to that object we pass the path. So clip is equals to, we have done MP dot, that is what we need. So we need this video file clip, and then just remove all this and pass the path of the file name you want to edit or you want to change to an MP4. So let's just go ahead in the folder and just copy the path from the folder. So I'll just take a small code here, and I'll just copy and paste this path. Copy this path here. Now, after that, we have created the object here. That clip is the object. Now we just need to write one more line, that is clip dot write video file. And now what you want to write that video file as. So now it was in flat. Now that file name I need to specify, right? So which file name it was? This file name it was. So I'll just go to properties and copy as path, and I will just paste the path now. So now I have the exact path of the file here. Now here you can just specify the file name again. So you can have flat, or else in double inverted commas I have flat underscore intro.mp4. You can save that. And now so for this path, if you want to make it dynamic, what we can do is we can also accept that path from the user. So you can have here as a variable, that is path is equals to, and then you can ask the user for the path, that is input, enter the path here, and then just pass the path here. to avoid any errors for the path. So just save this, and now let the user enter the path. So we will just try and run this code here. Let's just clear the terminal out. Let's just extend this here, and we run the code. So as soon as we run the code, it will prompt us to enter the path. So here what we can do is copy the path and then go to the terminal and paste the path here. Yeah, and then press enter. Okay, so what now it is doing is that the argument is invalid. The path we must have entered was wrong, right? The path we entered was wrong. It did find this wrong. Okay, so what we can do here is we can just go ahead and paste the folder, paste this file here in this folder. So we can have copy and go to the development folder. We can just paste that file there inside. So yeah, we'll paste that file here. So now that file is here. Now nothing to worry. We can just pass flat dot intro itself here. So we can have video clip from this folder itself, right? So we have flat dot or else flat underscore intro dot wmv. Now we don't need to specify the path. Let's just ignore this, save this, and now let's run this. Clear this out, the terminal, and let's run this. Okay, so now it has already taken the file and it will start converting the file. As you can see, it will start converting that file into the video file, which is in MP4 extension. Okay, and it will convert it will take all the frames. First, it will convert the audio. If you can see here, writing the audio in this. So first it creates a temporary file, and then that all the audio and the video frames are mixed, and the file is created. As you can see already here, there is a file, MP4 extension file. So now let's just wait for a moment and let this process be completed. Okay, so we are again here, and we see that the file has been converted into an MP4, and this video is
welcome friends.
That is Flutter.
Today we are going to start
which
with
you can use
an amazing tutorial
right,
or amazing
to develop Flutter applications. I'll be mentioning my course link in the description below. It's a very beautiful course. It's a Udemy link. I have a course on Udemy regarding Flat, so you guys can go and check it out. Okay, so we have converted the WMV to MP4 using the Python library. So that is the MoviePy. So I'll mention the link for this library as well. If you want to read some documentation regarding it, you can go ahead and check it out. And also do please share and comment and like and subscribe to my channel so that I get encouraged and I get to come up with some beautiful ideas and concepts, or I get to solve as many as problems, like real time problems as required. So thank you guys and keep visiting my channel.